Making equal comparisons easy as pie. Mastering ACEs in English. Hello, language learners. In today's video, we are going to focus on one important structure in English, the ACEs construction. This is commonly used to make equal comparisons, and by the end of this video, you will be using ACEs like a pro to compare things equally. Let's jump right into it. The ACEs structure is used in English to compare two things that are equal in some way. It can be used with adjectives and adverbs. For example, you might say, John is as tall as his brother, or she runs as quickly as a cheetah. In both cases, ACEs shows that two things are equal in some way. When using ACEs with adjectives, we follow this structure. As plus adjective plus as. Here, the adjective goes between the two as words. For example, my coffee is as hot as the sun. Here, hot is the adjective that shows what characteristic is being compared. When using ACEs with adverbs, the structure is as plus adverb plus as. Just like with adjectives, the adverb goes in the middle. For instance, he swims as swiftly as a dolphin. Here, swiftly is the adverb that describes the action being compared. To make a negative comparison using ACEs, we simply put not before the first as. So it becomes not ACEs. For example, the movie was not as exciting as I expected. This tells us that the movie and what I expected are not equal in terms of excitement. Now that you know how to use ACEs, it's time to practice. Try making your own sentences using ACEs. Remember to check your structure and ensure you're comparing similar things. And there you have it. With the ACEs structure, you can make equal comparisons easily and sound more fluent in English. Remember, practice is key. So, keep using ACEs in your sentences until it becomes second nature. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.